This project is PC based SCADA for industrial application. Here audio connections are Arduino and its starter board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. DHT11 temperature and humidity and LDR sensor connected to Arduino N-log pins. Here DC fan and AC bulb humidifiers controlled by relays which is connected to Arduino digital pins respectively. USB to serial adapter connected from PC to Arduino UART port. All these sensors data displaying on LCD and visible on software which is in laptop. Here this software is customized according to our requirement. Now power on this. On LCD it is showing temperature, humidity and LDR. Now LDR in light condition. We have to open the application. We have to select the comport option. Comport 6. Baud rate is 9600 and open. Comport opened and it is showing to save data in file. Please click on file button. OK. Now open the file. Here we have to create new notepad file. Text document. File name is C. Now open. We can see here all these sensors data displaying on here and our project title PC based SCADA for industrial applications. On LCD it is showing temperature, humidity and LDR. Now LDR in light condition. If it is in dark condition then light on. If temperature more than 35 degrees, then fan will be on. If humidity less than 65%, then humidifier will be on. Here all these sensors data stored in notepad file. Now open the C. We can see here all the sensors data along with date and time.